in Grant County and also parts of Garfield and Noble counties down in Oklahoma as this line of storms continues to move to the northeast at about 45 miles an hour. And certainly there is that threat of some 70-mile-an-hour winds with this storm activity as this begins to push through. So again, no confirmation of a tornado, but we've got this tornado warning in northeastern Sumner County issued because of radar picking up some rotation in this particular storm. And it continues to move on to the northeast at about 40 miles an hour, pushing northeast of Wellington now. So it's going to be heading up into the Belle Plaine area and on up into perhaps Mulvane and the Mulvane and Derby area. We've had some rain activity moving through Clearwater, pushing into Hayesville right now, and heavy rain moving into West Wichita. And we've still got this severe thunderstorm warning in effect with the possibility of some 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. And we did have some wind gusts reported with this storm activity as it was pushing into Sedgwick County. So we do have strong winds with this storm. We just do not have any confirmation or anything definite with regard to a tornado, but radar has indicated rotation in this particular storm, so we have to keep an eye on that. So again, tornado warning for northeastern Sumner County until 10 o'clock. We will continue to keep an eye on this activity and keep you updated as this storm continues to progress on through the area. Looking on to the north, again, as I've mentioned, we've seen a weakening trend with this activity, but still some moderate to heavy rain up into McPherson and Saline counties, up into Marion and Chase counties, all of that pushing off to the northeast as well, but no severe weather activity in north central Kansas with any of that, and it's really spreading out and weakening, whereas we saw a major line of activity that was pushing toward us earlier, moving through parts of Rice, Reno, and Kingman County. So looking strong as it moved toward the Wichita area, but we're starting to see some signs of it breaking up. We still have these two areas in Sedgwick and Sumner counties and down in northern Oklahoma to continue to keep an eye on. And they've had tornadoes on the ground in the Oklahoma City area. They've had tornado warnings in effect for parts of Canadian and Oklahoma counties and Pottawatomie and Cleveland counties. So right around the Oklahoma City area, close to Norman, a little bit to the east and northeast of Norman, pushing in toward Shawnee. And so some very serious concerns in Oklahoma. We've had some reports of some damage down there as well, and some 1-inch hail reported with those storms, some quarter-size hail. As you heard Ross mention, no indication of any hail with these storms that we've had in southern Kansas at this point in time. The main threat has been the wind, and then this concern with radar indicating rotation. So this line of storms now